my channel, The Offbeat Couple. It's me, Dimpy Sangvi, and today I'm in Monaco for the Grand Prix with Al Marjan Island. Sounds amazing, right? I'm so excited about this whole trip. They have planned so many amazing things for us, which I obviously don't want to tell you guys right now, but you're going to see them as we move ahead in the video. So yeah, I'm ready for the welcome dinner that they have organized tonight, and Shashank is going to be joining me tonight. He's coming directly from Germany, so he's going to be joining me here, and yeah, let's go for the dinner.
Fabulous. Can't wait. And then going up to the castle and just like walking around.
Good morning, guys. So last night's dinner was really amazing. Had a great time meeting fellow influencers come from all around the world, and I'm sure you already saw that Shashank is here.
Guys, we are back in south of France and we are here for the Grand Prix.
Yes.
And I'm so excited to spend the next 3 days in the French Riviera. We are here with the Wynn Al Marjan resorts, and yeah, it's gonna be a packed schedule. I mean,
Yeah,
but
I
look-
mean, right now we are getting ready to go to the beach,
yes,
and they have booked some sunbeds over there, so we're going to head there.
we are going to the Bleue beach, and we have sunbeds there reserved for us, and we're gonna spend the morning here. Hello, bonjour. So that's our sunbeds over there, the whole crew, and I'm excited for today. Dimpy is all excited, ready in the French Riviera.
So we've ordered our drinks, and these are our sunbeds. You know where to find me.
Monaco.
So it's a beautiful afternoon in the French Riviera. So glad to be here with Wynn. Marisa is here. Hi Marisa, how are you?
Hey, I'm good.
Are you excited for today?
Yes, it's gonna be so good. The
So
next
good.
weekend, the next day.
I'm sure. I think everyone's in Monaco now. Dimpy is forcing me to go to the water. Hi Francisca, how are you?
Good.
Enjoying the sun?
A lot.
Yeah. Finally we are in the water.
You cannot quit now.
Yeah, I cannot quit. No,
You can
I think this can't go inside.
Or just stand till here.
No, this is getting wet. Fully
Shorts
getting-
now. It's
yeah,
fine
yeah.
if they get wet. They are swimming shorts.
No, it's fine. I'm good.
Once you get inside now, then you won't be sad.
I can't. Enjoying the best time in south of France. Wow, an experience. So now we are heading back to the
hotel.
Fairmont. We'll just get ready
Had
and
such a great time by the beach. Excited to watch the race now. Marisa,
are you excited for the race?
Wait.
So, how long will the race be? It's ongoing, right?
It's ongoing, so we're gonna watch FP3, and then we have qualifying in the afternoon. Tomorrow is the actual race, where it's gonna be really intense. So, yeah.
Wow, loving the vibe for the race, F1 races, and so many people. I think everyone's in Monaco. That's the Buddha bar where I came last time, and yes, 13 years back. Yeah, so much of memories, and it's a beautiful town. Sixth floor, yeah.
Ginger ale ou ginger normal?
Ginger, 8, avec un point
That's the practice session going on. Hello, hi. Hi.
Oh my god, okay, great. I was gonna say it. How does that
Hi.
Oh,
Hey, man.
hi again.
How are you, man?
Okay.
The whole crew is here. We are all ready for the dinner.
All right.
Okay. Thank you. Hello, hi. Good evening. Hey, 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 hey. Guys, finally it's a beautiful morning in Monaco, and today we are going to drive Ferraris before the actual race, and the whole crew is here. Tom is here, guys are here. Hi guys.
Hello, good
Are you excited
morning.
to drive the Ferrari?
Everyone's excited.
Basically,
Iron is so fun.
so basically, we got an option of driving Ferrari or going for a spa. I chose.
Look at this, the brave ones.
Yeah. So we're going somewhere on the mountain. There's a good view of the whole city, of the
Yeah.
river and the mountains. So we're heading there, and it's gonna be a good day today. And we have the actual race in the afternoon, and in the evening again we have a dinner party. All excited.
Alright guys, so we are going to be driving this Ferrari, the red one. Oh my god, the supercar drive experience in Monaco is obviously a bucket list kind of a thing. And Shashank is already in the car, so let's go.
Wow, what a crazy experience. Driving a Ferrari in Monaco, you can see the French Riviera. Wow, you have a group of cars. What a crazy experience by Wynn Al Marjan Islands. I mean, I'm so excited when it opens in 2027 in Russell Khema. Oh my god, this is going to be one of a massive projects, and it's going to change the way people look at luxury in the world. And Dubai, Russell Khema is the one which is having, so I mean the whole world is going to be there. So we are right here, all the cars are parked here, and we are heading for lunch. Wow, it's a dream. Experiencing F1 with Al Marjan Wynn Hotel. Okay, so we are having lunch, some gnocchi and some in pesto sauce, and a salad with some pasta, and that's the guacamole over here. We also have some guacamole, and we have the F1 races at 3 p.m. So guys, it's race day today. Hello, hi, how are you? Very well. It's a race day, hi. My friends are here, how are you? Hi. The race has just started, it's 72 laps and it started at 3 o'clock. Guys, last 3 laps. Charles is on third spot.
Come on, Charles.
Come on, boys! Come on, boys! Norris has won. I mean, I am speechless with the way Wynn has given attention to detail. You can see over here. So the Grand Prix has just finished, so everyone's gonna party tonight. So first we'll have dinner, then there's a party at Lily's, which is in Fairmont, Monte Carlo.
I hope we have been able to kind of share some luxury, glamour and fun with you over the last couple of days. It is and so forth, and it truly kind of feels like we have captured what Wynn is all about.
And that's a wrap from the iconic Monaco Grand Prix with the stunning Wynn Al Marjan Island. We hope you enjoyed every high-speed, high-luxury moment with us. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, share, and of course subscribe to our channel, The Offbeat Couple. Until next time, keep chasing the offbeat path.